With a record of 1 district win and 3-15 overall, the Porter Lady Spartans are fighting an uphill battle. Injuries have plagued them from the very start, and the injuries have occurred where it hurts them the most.
We're in a rebuilding type state. We're pretty young, inexperienced. We do have 3 seniors, one of which is hurt, another one who is just now coming back from some other situations and stuff. And so we're just now getting our team.
So the young team is learning to work together and learning the value of patience. Another lesson the ladies must embrace at this level is the degree of physicality on the court. It can be rough out there.
That's where the maturity comes in. That's where take a deep breath and relax. We need to be even keeled. Things are going to happen. It's not going to be on purpose. People are aggressive. Sometimes it is on purpose, sometimes it isn't. But you've just got to take it in stride and go on, because if they get us ruffled and rattled, then they get us out of our game, and we're not thinking about what we should be thinking about.